I'm just doing a video on 8D and 8E. So the area formula, similar area formula, a new area equals k squared times old area. So it's getting smaller, it's going from large to small. So the new area is 16 equals k squared times by the old area was 36. I want k squared by itself, so I need to divide both sides by 36. So k squared is going to be whatever 16 over 36 is. 16 over 36. Actually, you don't need the calculator for that. It's 16 over 36. And then k is going to be the square root of those things, which is square root of 16 on 36. 16, square root of 16 is 4 on 6. This is 2 on 3. So k is 2 on 3 in this scenario. So then now we know the scale factor to apply to x. 2 on 3 times by x gave you 8 meters. Opposite of dividing by 3, timesing by 3. So times everything by 3 times by 3. Cancel. 2x is going to be 8 times 3. 24x is going to be 12 meters. Sheet of paper similar in shape to A4 but has twice the area. This is the A3. This is A4, 29.7, 21. So we can find the area of the A4. 29.7 times by 21. 623.7 square centimeters. We know A3 is twice the area, so times by 2. This is 1247.4 square centimeters. Let's find this. Let's call this x. And let's call this y. So we need to find the scale factor. So let's say we're going from A4 to A3, new area. New area equals k squared times old area. New area is 1247.4 equals k squared times 623.7. Opposite of timesing by that is dividing by that. K squared is going to be whatever 1247.4 divided by 623.7 is. 2k is going to be the square root of 2. So then x is going to be this length here, 29.7, times by the scale factor of the square root of 2. Square root of 2 is a number, times by 29.7, 42 centimeters. Y is going to be 21 times by the square root of 2. Square root of 2 is a number, times by 21. 29.70 centimeters to 2 decimal points. 2 decimal points. Therefore, dimensions of A3 are 42 centimeters by 29.7 centimeters. Find the unknown surface area for each pair of similar solids. So it's going from here to here. K, the scale factor, is new. 6 over old. So that's 2 on 3. So now new area equals K squared times old area. We don't know the new area, that's what we're trying to find. K squared, so 2 on 3, and you're squaring it, times by the old area, which we're told was 72. New area, squaring 2/3 is 2 squared is 4, over 3 squared is 9, times 72. Use the calculator now. 4 over 9 is a number, times by 7232 square centimeters is the new area. 4, find x in each pair of similar solids. So we don't know the scale factor. New area equals K squared times old area. I'll do this up here. So let's do A here. New area is 540 equals K squared times by the old area is 240. Divide both sides by 240. 240. K squared is going to be equal to whatever 540 divided by 240 is. 2.25. K is going to be the square root of that. 1.5. So x is going to be 8 times by 1.5. X is going to be 12 centimeters. B, doesn't matter the shape, you're just using the same formula over and over again. So it got smaller, the new area is 50 equals K squared times by the old area, 450. Divide both sides by 450. K squared is going to be 50 divided by 450. 0.11 over and over again, recurring. Find the square root of that while it's in the calculator. 0.33, it's a third. 1 over 3, or you can use 0.33 if you want. You're just going to be slightly less accurate. So now x is going to be 11, which is the measurement on the side, times by 1/3, which is going to be the same as 11 divided by 3. 11 divided by 3. 3.67 centimeters rounded to 2 decimal points. C. Okay, we got volume now. So C, new volume, equals K cubed times old volume. New volume, it went smaller, so 108 equals K cubed times by 256. Divide both sides by 256. K cubed is going to be 108 divided by 256. Is that number. I'll just leave it as a fraction, 108 divided by 256. K is going to be the cube root of 108 over 256. K is going to be, while this number's in the calculator, I'll cube root it. K is 0.75. So x is going to be 0.75 times by 9, which is the measurement that we know, times by 9, not times by percent, times by 9. 6.75 centimeters. Now the volume one, new, so D, new, vol equals K cubed times old vol. New volume, it got bigger, 864 equals K cubed times by the old volume of 500. Divide both sides by 500. K cubed is going to be whatever 864 divided by 500 is 1.728. K is going to be the cube root of that, So I'm going to cube root it while it's in the calculator. 1.2. So x is going to be 1.2 times by 9. 10.8 centimeters. 6. Household rubbish bin has a volume they want to produce. So it's getting bigger. So new volume. New volume is 0.6 equals k cubed times by the old volume, 0.36. Divide both sides by 0.36. K cubed is equal to 0.6 divided by 0.36. 0.6 over 0.36. K is going to be the cube root of this. Zero 0.6 divided by 0.36. Cube root that. K is 1.19 to 2 decimal points. The original bin was 1.45, so new height is going to be K, 1.19 times by the old height. That's about 1.19, 1.45, 1.72 meters in height. Cone has surface area 100 centimeters and volume 100 square centimeters, volume 50 square centimeters. Cone B has surface area. Are the cones similar? They will be similar because we have the surface area and volume of two different cones and we're asking if they're similar. They will be similar if K is same for both SA and volume. So let's go as if we're going from cone A to cone B. Let's do surface area first. So the new area is 144, K squared times by the old. Divide both sides by 100. K squared is going to be, well, 144 is a square number. It's going to be 12 on 10. Don't skip any. Don't skip. We've got 144 on 100. K is going to be the square root of that, which is going to be 12 on 10. So that's for scale factor. So now let's do volume. New volume 72 equals K squared times by 50. Divide both sides by 50. K squared is equal to 72 on 50. I can't do that in my head. Square root of 72 divided by 50. K squared is equal, no, I already found the square root. K is equal to 1.2. 12 divided by 10 is 1.2. So therefore the cones are similar. Okay, hopefully that helps you out, and I'll see you in the next video.